Welcome to Connecting to the VPN. What is a VPN? VPN stands for Virtual Private Network. It provides a secure way to transmit data. It is recommended that you always connect to the VPN when using a UC Path-issued laptop. First, begin by clicking on the Windows Start menu and scroll down to the menu to locate Cisco. Then, click the Cisco folder. Next, click on the Cisco AnyConnect Secure Mobility Client. The Cisco AnyConnect Secure Mobility Client will appear. Check to see that it is on VPN. Click Connect. The group for UCOP employee is Anycon Profile. Use your UCOP username and password, also known as your single sign-on. Click OK. You're now connected to the VPN. Now go back to the Start menu. Click on Cisco AnyConnect, then right-click to pin to the Start menu. Now go back to Cisco AnyConnect, then right-click again, click on More, click to pin to the taskbar. If you are having issues signing on, here are a few things to remember. Choose Anycon Profile from the drop-down menu as the group. Use your UCOP username and password, also known as your single sign-on. Your username is typically your first initial and your last name. If you're still having issues, refer to the job aid that was given prior to this video. If you are connected, there will be a green check mark on the lock. The button will display disconnect, and the amount of time you have been connected will be visible. You can also click on the Show Hidden Icons button in your taskbar. Then, look for the Cisco icon with a lock on it to see if you are connected. Let's review. Locate the Cisco folder in the Start menu. Click Cisco AnyConnect and then click Connect. The group is Anycon Profile. Use your UCOP username and password, also known as your single sign-on. Thank you for watching Connecting to the VPN.